So let's revise some high yield plant image based questions, right? So the first one, can you identify these attractive purple flowers? So these are Digitalis purpura. So it has a long stem with pink bell shaped flowers arranged along in like a cluster. So this is a cardiac poison. It is toxic because of the cardiac glycoside that inhibits sodium potassium ATPase, leading to arrhythmia, which causes death. Right? It's a classic for cardiac poisoning in forensic. It's also called as foxglove. So the next one. So the next one is a white flower plant. So these are umbrella shaped flowers which are in clusters, and it is favorite or it is very commonly known for Socrates' death. It's also known as blood of Socrates because the stem has some purple stains over it, right? So it has a toxin quinine, which is a neurotoxic causing ascending muscular paralysis, right? But Socrates died due to respiratory failure. There's no antidote for this, right? We'll move on to the next one. This is a favorite question for the seed image, but sometimes they may ask you by showing the plant as well, right? So this, how do you identify? This is a Ricinus communis plant or a castor plant. So how do you identify it? It has a spiky red fruit and a broad palmate leaves, right? Whereas the seed will be brown, glossy, and it has a ridge running to the base. We know that, we've seen in the other video, right? So the ricin is a toxic principle for this plant and it inhibits the protein synthesis. So it's also used as a bioterrorism agent, which is also a MCQ tip, right? So the next plant. So what is this attractive plant? So this is called as morning glory or Ipome violacea, right? So this plant seed contain LSD like compounds which has a hallucinogenic properties. It's used for recreational purpose, right? This is a rare one, but better to know and learn how to identify it. So this has a funnel shaped violet to blue flower with a pinkish hue in the center, right? So the next plant, very favorite question and a very repeated question. So this is Datura, right? So how do you identify it? It has a trumpet shaped flower with thorny fruit, right? Thorny fruit. So this has anticholinergic properties. It gives anticholinergic features like dilated pupil, dry mouth, delirium, right? So never make a mistake with this simple question because they'll ask you to identify or give the clinical features and ask the diagnosis or ask the antidote. These are the most common questions with respect to Datura, right? The next one. So what is this plant? This is also referred to as Anthony's fire wood. So what it is? It is Claviceps purpura or ergots, right? It is a fungus on rye. So main mechanism is it causes vasoconstriction leading to gangrene, and it sometimes even causes abortion when it is used, right, or consumed, right? So the next one. So what is this plant which is from a food? From Kesari dal. So this is Lathyrus sativus. So how do you identify? It is a blue to purple pea-like flower, right, with winged stems. Whereas the morning glory is a blue flower, but it has a pinkish hue. This will be like a pea flower, blue pea flower, right? It contains an active principle BOA. We have seen it already, and it is a neurotoxin causing neurolathyrism, right? So the last one, very important one, right? So this one is Argemone mexicana. It has spiny leaves with a bright yellow flower, like a cup, yellow cup, right? So this causes epidermic dropsy and pedal edema. So the yellow poppy-like flowers is Argemona mexicana, and it has a toxin sanguinarin causing epidermic dropsy. It is a very, very classical image question, and also it is an adulterant for mustard oil. So these are some of the repeated or a potential or an expected image based question. I'll see you all in the next video. Follow for more updates.